Okay, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to start building my new jig for my Bosch grinder. I need to cut a lot of small pieces like this. For my next project I need to cut about 120 pieces. So having a small jig that will help me with cutting is very welcome. I'm going to use a very simple design, because the pieces that I'm going to cut are not very lengthy, maybe up to 25-30 centimeters. That's why I'm going to use one simple L-shaped iron. I'm going to fix it with the two bolts to the body of the grinder, and after that I'm going to weld one simple 20 by 40 profile like this. I don't have any plans in my everything is my head. I'm going to design the jig as I work. So let's start and see what comes up at the end. Let's start the build.
Window open to the breeze, blanket wrapped around my knees. Morning hums in quiet ease. Starting slow is what I need. I don't wanna leave the bed today. Sunshine creeping through the shades. World outside just fades away. Hear my worries softly lay. Stay. Calling, but I delay. I just keep dreaming slow and gray of pillow kingdoms far away. Why should I break that chain? Breathing easy, time slows down. Heart in peace, no weight around. Some days I let the stillness play. My body says lie here and stay. I don't wanna leave the bed today. Sunshine creeping through the shades. World outside just fades away. Hear my worries softly lay. Stay, drift and sway.
I have my two pieces for the jig. Now let's see the position on the grinder. Okay, so this is about all I need. Next thing is to drill two holes to fix the L iron and to weld this piece here. Okay, so I have prepared my L-shaped iron for drilling to the body. As you can see, I have leveled the iron with the two magnets. This is also a fixture. I have used two clamps to fix the position of the iron. From the lower side, just let me adjust the light. So this is the first, this is the second hole. I'm going to drill it with the M4, it's a 4mm bit. And after that I'm going to expand it with 10mm.
Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. Every breath feels like a spell. Heart beating under her shell. Palm leaves sway me with ease. Midnight under mango tree, feeling her spirit sway with me. She cast her voodoo magic on me. Can't break free, can't flee. Her eyes got a secret key. I'm lost in her mystery. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na. Oh, na na na.
Next, I'm going to clean the area around the hole, and then I'm going to weld this bolt like this. Same to the other one. As you can see, there is already some welded bolts on the lower side of the body. So first cleaning and then welding. Okay, one last comment before I start grinding and welding. As you can see, this hole is quite close to this curved part here, so the cap of the bolt is interfering the space. So that's why I just cut the cap of the nut, as you can see, and that way the bolt is laying straight on the surface. At the beginning of the video I said that I have no concrete plan for this jig, and now just let me explain what just happened. Before welding the bolts, I tightened these two knobs here and here in order to avoid bending of the bolts while welding. At the same time I mounted the L-shaped iron here. So it turns out that this is also a solution for fixating this jig to the body of the grinder. I like this solution better because I will have some space here for the sparks to go down, not to fly around in every direction. But I will keep also the welding from the inside, so I will have a double security. I will weld the bolts from the inside, and I will keep these two knobs tightened, so the jig has more stability. So that was the plus.
Cool wind kissing my dread. No trouble.
I just want to explain the setup before the welding. I have fixated in the clamp of the grinder this piece here, and then with this small clamp I have tightened this is our rod. Actually we are going to weld this piece here and down here. One more thing, I have added a distance of 1 millimeter between this base plate and the piece that is stuck in the clamp. So this is it. Now I'm going to weld.
Peace in my coconut platter. Birds got no boss, waves got no plan. Why should I? I'm just a man. No worries today, I let them all drift away. Feet in the sand, soul on replay. Sky so blue, heart so clear. I'm alive and love is near. Neighbors wave, kids laugh free.
Piece is welded together. It is welded from 3 sides, up and down, and from outside. From the inside there is no space for the welding because I need this angle to be 90 degrees.
Trouble will come, find me slow. I'll be dancing where the mangoes grow. Cause stress don't own me, not today. I've got rhythm to keep it at bay. No worries today, I let them all drift away. Feet in the sand, soul on replay. Sky so blue, heart so clear. I'm alive and love is near. So if your mind's heavy like stone, come sit quiet, this silent tone. We'll forget what the world demands and breathe with open hands. No worries today, I'll let them all drift away. Feet in the sand, soul on replay. Sky so blue, heart so clear. I'm alive and love is near.